The counsels of the bird, a fable where a bird, captured by a man, offers wisdom in exchange for its freedom. The bird teaches the man valuable lessons such as the importance of knowledge over wealth and the folly of regret, highlighting the moral significance of contentment and wisdom. The counsels of the bird examine moral and philosophical themes concerning wisdom and human experience. It narrates the tale of a bird, offering guidance, highlighting the significance of pursuing knowledge and self-understanding. This tale underscores the transformative nature of wisdom and encourages personal growth and a search for deeper meaning in life. The Counsels of the Bird is a timeless tale that teaches wisdom, discernment, letting go of the past regrets, and seizing opportunities. The bird's advice encourages questioning information and relying on evidence. It emphasizes the importance of recognizing and acting on valuable moments as opportunities may not return. These lessons offer guidance for a more meaningful and purposeful existence.